Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPhone 12 to iPhone device. Firstly, open App Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Click Allow and OK. You want to go with Receive on iPhone device and Send on iPhone 12. Now pick files that you want to transfer. I will go with this photo and click Send. From here you have two ways to connect. Click Got it. Two ways to connect. You can input password and scan QR code. I will go with scanning, so I have to click. Come on. Maybe someday? Okay. Click OK and scan the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!